Okay. Let's be silly. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So today, school have a crazy hair day, and we celebrate individuality. We celebrate difference. We are different from others. So we wear different socks, different shoes. Yeah, it was just different socks, but I just by chance have different shoes of the same style. It's comfortable. It does not limping when I walk. So let's celebrate being crazy. Okay. You have a beautiful, beautiful and silly day. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. I can even. Whatever.